Let me show you how to recover files from a corrupted SD card for free. With this method, you can recover your photos, videos, or any important files from your corrupted or damaged SD card without spending a penny, and that is coming up. Okay, as you can see here, I have an SD card. Whenever I connect it to my computer, it shows up like this, and when I double click on it, it asks me to format it. Even when I try to format it, this happens. See, it gives an error message. Alright, in order to recover files from this kind of corrupted SD card, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a data recovery software. There are a lot of data recovery software out there, but in this video I'm going to use this one called 4-Day Data Recovery Free, which you can get from the link given in the video description below, or you can scan the QR code showing up on your screen. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After the installation, open it up. Once it's open, my SD card is not showing up here, so I am going to reconnect it. So here's my SD card. Just select it and select the type of files that you want to recover from your corrupted SD card. So in my case, I'm going to select only photos and videos. You can select other options if you want. After that, click on scan and then wait for the scanning process to complete. This process will take time depending on how much data you have on your corrupted SD card. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and share it with your friends? For you, like and share is just a matter of clicks, but for me, it means a lot. So thank you so much if you do. Once the scanning process is completed, click on OK. And as you can see, this software has found more than 150 GB of files from my corrupted SD card. Now all you have to do is select the type of files that you want to recover. So in my case, I am going to select photos. So I'm gonna select my photos that I want to save to my computer. Remember, the free version of this software allows you to recover 2 GB of files. If you want to download more than 2 GB of files, then you have to purchase a subscription. So I'm done selecting my photos. So after selecting your photos, just click on recover, and now select the place where you want to save your photos. So in my case, I'm gonna save on my desktop and click on save now. After the recovery, usually what happens is some of your files get corrupted. In that case, you have to repair your corrupted files. So this software is asking me to recover and repair my photos, but I'm not going to do that because that will cost me money. So I'm going to click on recover only because I'm doing this only for this video. If you are serious about your files, then you can go with the pro version or paid version. So I'm gonna select recover only. Once it's done, the folder will open up by itself. So as you can see, these are the photos that I just recovered. So as I said before, as you can see, some of these photos are corrupted, and you have to use this software's repair option to repair your photos. You can use this file repair option to repair your images or videos or whatever you want. So in my case, I'm not going to do that. As I said before, I'm doing this only for making this tutorial video. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can recover files from a corrupted SD card for free. Please let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.